Yes, be ready. Start. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and two Supreme Court judges met lawyers of the Gujarat and Telangana High Court on Monday over the collegium's proposed transfers of Justice Nikhil and Abhishek Reddy, agreeing to examine their grievances while strongly conveying that they have to get back to work full stop. Next stanza. The Chief Justice, accompanied by Collegium's members Justice Sanjeev Krishan Kaul and M.R. Shah, met the Gujarat lawyers delegation first during lunch break at 1:30 p.m. for half an hour full stop. The Telangana group of lawyers met them in the evening after court's hours full stop. Next stanza. The Chief Justice assured us he will examine our grievances and sentiments full stop. The CGI and Justice Kaul asked us to convey to our bar to call off the strike. Advocate Hardik, Secretary of the Gujarat High Court Advocates Association and a member of the delegation full stop. Next stanza. A statement released by the Gujarat delegation said a detailed representation was forwarded to the CGI on November 20 full stop. Supporting papers and documents were submitted to the office of CGI after the meeting for his consideration full stop. Advocate Shri Jalli Narendra, Secretary of the Telangana High Court Advocates Association, who had flown to the national capital from Telangana along with a delegation 4 days ago, had a similar account of the meeting full stop. The CJI said they will examine our representation and take an appropriate decision, he shared full stop. Next stanza. The Supreme Court on Monday declined to stay Kerala High Court decision to revoke the appointment of Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies Vice Chancellor K. Raji John full stop. A bench led by Chief Justice of India within bracket CJI full stop. D.Y. Chandrachud said Dr. John had demitted office and could not be reinstated for now full stop. Next stanza. Listing the case for after 3 weeks, the court said it was up to the Chancellor to make arrangements for an acting Vice Chancellor full stop. The bench said any action taken in the interim would abide by the final decision of the court in Dr. John's appeal full stop. Let us hear the matter first. There will not be any confusion. CJI Chandrachud tried to quell apprehensions full stop. The state of Kerala, represented by senior advocate K.K. Venugopal and advocate Nishe Rajendra, urged the court to stay the High Court order, saying Dr. John was a highly qualified person and it was humiliating for him to demit office in the middle of a 5-year term full stop. Next stanza. Senior advocate Jaideep Gupta for John said the university came within the ambit of the Kerala Fisheries Act, a state legislation, and not the University Grants Commission within bracket UGC regulations full stop. He appointed to entry 14 of the state list, which specially deals with agricultural education and research full stop. Next stanza, he said entry 66 of the central list dealing with coordination and determination of standards in the institutions for higher education or research and scientific and technical institutions was only general in nature. Full stop. Fisheries, he said, has been held to be part of agricultural activity and studies by Supreme Court judgments. Full stop. Next stanza. Our contention, first and foremost, is that the Kerala Fisheries Act comes under entry 14. Full stop. If so, the UGC Act will have no say in an agricultural university, Mr. Gupta argued. Full stop. Mr. Venugopal, sporting Dr. John, said when there was a specific entry on the state list on agriculture, a general entry in the central list did not apply. Full stop. The entirety of the procedures with regard to appointment of Vice Chancellor is governed by the Kerala Fisheries Act. Full stop. To say that the state legislation has no power is wholly erroneous, Mr. Venugopal contended. Full stop. Next stanza, the Supreme Court on Monday said a public interest petitioner's plea to frame guidelines to ensure that its judgments are complied with by the government and the lower judiciary was thoroughly misconceived. Full stop. Appearing before a bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Mukul Kumar said that the Supreme Court's judgments and orders were ignored by authorities. Full stop. Next stanza. Chief Justice Chandrachud directed the petitioner's attention to Article 141 of the Constitution. Full stop. The article makes it clear that the law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all courts in India. Full stop. But the authorities are still not complying. The petitioner complained. Full stop. Justice Hema Kohli on the bench asked the petitioner how guidelines would help in the implementation of judgments and judicial orders. Full stop. The CGI again pointed to Article 142 of the Constitution, which provides extraordinary powers to the Supreme Court to enforce its decisions. Full stop. The court dismissed the petition. Full stop. Over.